The crypto and stock markets are facing a major drop, and crucial levels are now being tested across the board. If you've been following the market, you've probably noticed the sharp declines in both sectors, leaving investors on edge. Right now, both XRP, Bitcoin, and other altcoins are feeling the impact, with many hitting support levels that will determine the next big move. But what does this really mean for the future of these assets? How far can the markets fall, and will they bounce back? This is an important moment, as we're seeing the entire financial ecosystem, both traditional and digital, facing tremendous pressure. The stock markets are struggling with high inflation, rising interest rates, and global uncertainty, while the crypto market is reacting to these same factors, amplified by volatility and speculative trading. XRP, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies have often mirrored traditional market trends, but we're seeing that correlation stronger than ever right now. As these assets approach crucial price levels, the question becomes, can they hold their ground or will the downturn continue? For XRP, Bitcoin, and other altcoins, the next few days could determine if they're in for a continued decline or if they'll find solid support and start a recovery. For investors, this is a make or break time. The market has tested these levels before, but this feels different. Whether you're holding crypto, stocks, or both, the next moves in the market are crucial. If the markets fall through these levels, there could be further declines ahead, but if the support holds, we might be in for a surprising rebound. So what happens next? Can XRP hit its key levels and recover, or will Bitcoin and other altcoins continue to struggle through this dip? Keep watching because this is a turning point. The situation right now is crucial, especially for XRP. With the market under pressure, XRP is facing critical levels that will determine its future trajectory. XRP has long been known for its real-world use case in cross-border payments and remittance services, and while it's been able to maintain some stability, the current market conditions are testing its strength. XRP's price has dropped, and it's now at a crossroads. If it can hold its ground at these support levels, there's a chance it could see a rebound, but if it falls further, things could get dicey. Institutional support and growing adoption were pushing XRP's price upwards not long ago, but the current market sentiment is filled with uncertainty. The SEC's involvement and regulatory concerns also weigh heavily on XRP's price, but despite this, XRP has shown resilience in the face of adversity. What's important now is how XRP reacts to the immediate pressure. Will it continue to hold above crucial support levels, or will it break through and face further declines? Meanwhile, Bitcoin is also struggling as it approaches important technical levels that could make or break its momentum. The leading cryptocurrency has often been seen as a market barometer. When Bitcoin struggles, it often takes the rest of the market with it. But Bitcoin's performance, just like XRP's, is driven by both external market factors like global economic conditions and internal crypto market dynamics. Right now, Bitcoin is under pressure from the same forces: rising inflation, global financial uncertainty, and regulatory scrutiny that are hitting traditional markets and crypto markets alike. So, as Bitcoin approaches these levels, there's a lot riding on whether it can stay above $20,000. If it does, there's a chance we could see some stability, but if it falls below, we might see further dips across the entire market, including altcoins. Right now, XRP, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies are closely tied to the broader market, and any significant shifts in either direction could lead to massive changes in the coming weeks. Investors should be watching these critical price points carefully. If these levels hold, we could see a bounce back, but if they break, we may see more losses in the short term. This is the time to stay informed, be strategic, and keep a close eye on these crucial levels.
As we continue to analyze the situation, the importance of these crucial levels cannot be overstated.
For XRP, Bitcoin, and other major altcoins, these levels are the dividing line between potential recovery and deeper decline. So why do these levels matter so much? Essentially, support and resistance levels act as psychological barriers in the market. When prices reach a certain level, investors tend to react, either buying in because they see a great value or selling to cut their losses. Right now, XRP's support level is being heavily tested. If it holds above this level, we might see investors step in, buying more XRP in anticipation of a rebound. However, if XRP fails to hold support, it could trigger further sell-offs, and the price could slide down to the next major level of support, which could lead to more significant decline. The same can be said for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's $20,000 mark is crucial right now. If it breaks below that level, we could see a widespread panic sell-off across the market, affecting XRP and all altcoins. But if Bitcoin manages to hold above $20,000, it could regain momentum and pull the rest of the market up with it, including XRP. These levels not only affect market sentiment, but also play a critical role in technical analysis. Traders and investors use these levels to make decisions about when to enter or exit positions. As these levels are being tested, we are at a decisive moment. If the market holds strong, XRP could rise, and the altcoin market might experience a surge.
However, if these levels break, we could see a deeper correction, and it will be important to remain strategic and prepared.
For anyone holding XRP, Bitcoin, or other cryptocurrencies, it's essential to watch these levels closely and adjust strategies accordingly. This is a critical time to stay informed and remain adaptable as the market continues to test its limits. Looking ahead, the next steps for XRP, Bitcoin, and the altcoin market will depend heavily on how these critical levels hold up. If XRP can maintain its support and Bitcoin stays above its crucial $20,000 threshold, we could see the market regain some stability and even begin to rise again. The $5 and $20 predictions for XRP might become a reality sooner than expected, but that's only if investor confidence returns. The key here is that XRP has always been driven by its real-world use case in cross-border payments and financial adoption, and if it can continue to prove its worth in these areas, it could push through these tough times. But if these levels break and both XRP and Bitcoin continue their downward movement, we may be in for more market volatility. This isn't the first time we've seen the market test these levels, but it's definitely one of the most uncertain times for both traditional markets and cryptocurrencies. For XRP holders, the question becomes, should you hold through the dip, buy more if prices drop, or sell to avoid further losses? The answer depends on your investment strategy and your confidence in XRP's long-term potential. If you believe that XRP's fundamentals, its role in cross-border payments, its ongoing partnerships, and its increasing adoption will continue to drive its value in the future, holding on might be the best decision. On the other hand, if you're concerned about short-term losses, it may be wise to monitor the market closely and consider a more cautious approach. For new investors, this could be an opportunity to buy the dip if you have confidence in XRP's future. Cryptocurrencies like XRP tend to be highly volatile, but they also offer long-term growth potential. With institutional adoption and increasing demand for digital payment solutions, XRP's future remains promising despite the current market downturn. Ultimately, the key is to stay informed, watch how these critical levels hold up, and adjust your strategy based on market movement. Whether you're holding, trading, or thinking about entering the market, being patient and strategic will make all the difference in navigating through these volatile times. The markets will continue to test these levels, and XRP is right at the center of it all. As we move into the next phase of this market cycle, it's important to understand the long-term outlook for XRP in the broader cryptocurrency space. While the short-term volatility is something we can't ignore, the underlying fundamentals of XRP remain solid. XRP has been one of the most utilized cryptocurrencies in real-world financial systems, particularly in the realm of cross-border payments. Ripple, the company behind XRP, has built strong partnerships with major financial institutions.